Less Suêtes wind warning. Issued at Wednesday 3:44 p.m. Mar 5th, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description: strong winds that may cause damage are expected or occurring. Time span: Thursday night. Maximum wind gusts: southerly 110 kilometers per hour. Locations: Margaree Harbour to Bay St. Lawrence. ####. Loose objects may be tossed by the wind and cause injury or damage. Less Suêtes wind warnings are issued when there is a significant risk of damaging winds. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to nstorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using #NSStorm.